Okay, so when you use focus on sound, the first thing in the dictionary here, you'll see there's instruments and sound words as well. Two halves to the dictionary. And you can see sound words, got a lot in it. Now if I show you one of the instruments, let's go for brass. And over here you've got the search bar and the contents. Here's the trumpet. First thing to notice down the bottom, 5 little dots. 5 pages of information. You can also use these arrows here on the right to go forward and on the left to go back. The other thing you might notice is up here on the right there's these mini inner tabs. You've got the trumpet information, you've got a full score, you've got some videos that we produced, some extra information, there's a full work recording, and there's a link to YouTube as well. Now the next section is the tests section, and this is in 2 halves. So I'll start with instruments and just scroll down. All of those sections there have different tests in about various instruments. And here's the tests for sound words. You can see there's a lot more of those, including the exam courses at the end. This leads nicely onto lessons. So here's an example of lessons. There's no sound words and instruments this time. They're all in together. All of these lessons available for you. So let's have a quick look at an exam board. Here's at Excel. Find it on the left here. AfroCelt sound system. This is the sort of thing a student could do for homework or in a lesson. Click on go. You can see this has got 5 pages. There's audio, there's pop-ups, there's cross-references in the dictionary. If you've had enough at any point, you can click continue up in the corner there, or skip a whole section, or just end the lesson, or go on to a test just like this.